we're back at it with Project Frankenstein. You like that?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. So we tried starting Frankie yesterday, and he just would not start. So I'm finally going to do what Quint 1836 recommended, and I'm going to file down the points here. So yesterday, 615 Custom said he's going to come help us out today. So I don't know. I mean, maybe he might show up. So boom. So 615. But yeah, go check out Cletus. He's got live videos going. We had a really fun one yesterday, so you got to check that out, right? Boom. Thank you guys for everybody that supports the channel, likes, all my patrons. Really do appreciate it, and let's get going. All right, boom.
Guys, we're trying to get 1,060,160,000.
That's right. I wanted to show you what we're doing. So I got these cool green LED lights off of Amazon for Frankie for the cab, and we're going to be putting more of them in. To start, I just put a couple just to see what it looked like, but I love it. So I want to put more of the LED green lights in the cab to put on a switch. Show you first now, because we're going to do it tomorrow during the day, all the wiring and stuff, but I wanted you guys to be able to see the lights. So bam, right?
So this is where we have the lights, and you have some more right here.
Yep, so we've got one there, and then we've got one under here.
Yeah.
But we're going to wire up more.
Yeah. So,
and we're going to fix the points, and we should be good.
Like maybe we're like right here, or like right here.
Yeah, so we got to do that. Let's see if we can get Frankie to start. So we need to
Fix it.
we need to fix it. Yeah, it's the points. I should have just done that.
Oh my God.
All right, let's get this thing going. Are cleaned up. Let's see if it made a difference. I'm sure it will. We've got gas. I don't know why I want it. All right, boom, baby. Let's go check under the hood. All right, sounding good. We got our leak coming back. So I'm gonna put it back like this. So it has everything, boom, flush. Boom, baby. All right, so we're gonna do lights. We gotta fix the dash. We gotta finish connecting this piece. I started touching up this spot because it was driving me nuts. You could see like the line there. So we gotta respray that. So we got plenty to do. Still gotta do the back wheels. And luckily it's not as hot. It finally started to cool down a little bit, but it's still pretty warm. So let's see what we can get done. All right, boom, baby. All right, we got everything wired up. Let's do another startup. I'm excited. This is so cool. Check it out. All right, so I got everything wired the right way now. So we got our lights for the clusters. We've got the lights for the vent. And then this turns on the gauge and the radio. So we got the radio, boom, and our lights. You'll see at night, there's a lot more lights under here because I put 4 or 5 under the dash, all shining down. So it should get real green at nighttime. So to bypass the heater core looks pretty straightforward actually. I'm gonna take these hoses off, which I wanna replace anyways. I'm not going to give up on the heater cores, just a temporary deal. But I'm just going to get a hose to go from here to there. And boom. I mean, that should be simple. Look at this dog. Look at this big dog. All right, well, check it out. Pretty straightforward. I took the hoses off, and then I just took the one hose that was coming off the water pump, and then looped it right back up there. Bypassed the heater core altogether, and we should be good. Very excited. One less thing to worry about. Now, I will fix the heater core at some point, but that at least gives us time to mess with that. All right, boom. Let's check it out. Frankenstein's running so smooth, so smooth. I'm really happy I bypassed the heater core. It's probably helping the engine. I mean, he sounds good, really good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all my patrons, all my subscribers, anybody who likes and shares the channel, any of that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. All right, boom, baby. All right, guys, excuse the lack of light, but I wanted to show you how it looks at nighttime. So this is the end of the video, but in case you wanted to see. All right, so bear with me here.